Circuit diagram of the project remote tester. Components required: one buzzer, one LED, one 10K resistor, one 10 microfarad capacitor, one TSOP sensor, battery 9V, battery stepper, jumper wires and breadboard. This is the TSOP sensor. Here, this is the ground, this is the power supply, and this is the data. Place the TSOP at the breadboard. Now place the buzzer. The shorter leg is the negative and the longer leg is the positive. Connect it to the breadboard. Now connect the VCC of the TSOP to the positive of the buzzer. And the negative of the buzzer is connected to the data of the TSOP. You can also connect the negative of the LED to the data pin of the TSOP. On the positive side of the LED, connect the 10K ohm resistor and also the positive of the 10 microfarad capacitor. Now connect the other terminal of the resistor to the positive of the battery and the negative of the capacitor to the negative of the battery. Now connect the positive of the TSOP, that is the VCC, to the positive of the battery and the ground, that is the first pin, to the negative of the battery. Now after connecting the battery, we will see the demo. This is the IR remote. It is a transmitter. We will press the button and the signal will go to the IR sensor, and as soon as we press the button, the buzzer will turn on and the LED will glow. We can press any button of the remote